It's starting to seem like there is no limit to the number of speaker types on the market. The speaker types include things like standalone smart speakers, bookshelf speakers, and more. Among them, the floor-standing speaker plays a vital role. These significant, comprehensive audio devices are still the cream of the crop when it comes to home audio. So if you are interested in buying one, then we can help you with some of the best in the business. Go through the description below to see all the featured products and their buy links. The Aperion Audio Novus two-way tower floor-standing speaker comes with a tweeter adjustment feature. It uses a high-end natural fiber dome membrane that utilizes a neodymium motor and ferrofluid-cooled voice coil to help give these tweeters a flat frequency response that can extend up to 30 kHz. Each Novus speaker uses our new 5.25-inch aramid fiber woofer cones to bring forth a full range of sound. It features a unique tooled rubber surround to conceal the mounting screws in each speaker. Its long-throw linear excursion design makes for a broad dynamic range and low distortion. The sloping front baffle design creates an even phase alignment between treble and bass drivers. Additionally, its front-ported design reduces air leak noise and increases the bass performance throughout the room. So sit back and enjoy those bass vibrations. The KLH Kindle 3-way floor-standing speaker effortlessly reproduces music and movie soundtracks with astonishing natural detail and balance and a deep and wide soundstage. It offers stylish and slim artisan-crafted real wood veneer cabinets in walnut with low-profile magnetic grills that create a visually flawless and captivating appearance. This speaker has woven Kevlar drivers and anodized aluminum dome tweeters, yield a dynamic, balanced, and detailed sound experience. This speaker has a solid MDF plinth with chrome-plated floor spikes or rubber feet provide added stability and proper decoupling to the floor. It offers precise edges with an ultra-slim profile, and no visible fasteners ensure a sleek, flawless look. Plus, it uses a mid-bass driver, and an anodized aluminum tweeter offers crisp, rich mids and highs for exceptional full-frequency detail. Enjoy dynamic sound from your amplifier with the ELAC Debut 2.0 f6.2 floor-standing speaker. It features a 3-way design with a 1-inch cloth dome tweeter, a 6.5-inch woven aramid fiber cone mid-woofer, and two 6.5-inch woven aramid fiber cone woofers. It accepts up to 140 watts of power from your amplifier and produces a 39 Hz to 35 kHz frequency response. The tweeter features a wide roll surround and brings response up to 35 kHz for enhanced high frequencies. Its cabinets are internally braced for improved stiffness and strength, reducing cabinet vibrations that cause unwanted coloration. Further, the shape of the aramid fiber cone is designed to offer augmented stiffness and damping characteristics over polypropylene or paper cones, helping to achieve a smoother, extended low-frequency response. The JMO Studio Series S807WL walnut floor-standing speakers have been designed to live seamlessly in modern, premium environments. The 1-inch soft dome tweeter provides smooth, refined high frequencies with two 5-inch polyfiber woofers for balanced, cinematic low end. It has an integrated waveguide that focuses the high-frequency sound for dynamic, true-to-life reproduction. At the same time, the front firing tube port allows for better low-frequency extension with placement flexibility. Its patent-pending design allows for all of the wire connections on the back of the floor stander, avoiding unsightly and messy speaker wire going all the way up to the Atmos module. Achieve an additional dimension of surround sound with the Ebony Klipsch Reference Premier RP8000F floor-standing speaker. It has a 2-way design featuring dual 8-inch woofers and a 1-inch tweeter paired to a 90 by 90 degree silicone composite hybrid Tractrix horn. It supports bi-amping and bi-wiring configurations and up to 150 watts of continuous power. Its tweeter design helps minimize distortion for enhanced, detailed performance. The cones are mated to a dual-layer, copper-wound voice coil for augmented conductivity. Plus, Its woofers are also housed in a non-resonating, stamped steel basket that's secured to a large magnet motor to help improve efficiency and reduce distortion, and are matched to the horn-loaded tweeter. Further, the vented tweeter housing is engineered to minimize standing waves that create unwanted harmonics, resulting in augmented detail and clarity in high-frequency reproduction. Enjoy detailed audio and a broad soundstage with the premium Black Ash SVS Prime Pinnacle floor-standing speaker. It has a 29 Hz to 25 kHz frequency range for enhanced highs, bass, and mids from its 1-inch tweeter, 5.25-inch mid-range, and 3 6.5-inch woofers. It has an 8x13.9-inch footprint with the grille on and supports 8 ohm impedance levels with a recommended power handling of 20 to 300 watts. Its distortion-resistant design helps provide enhanced clarity and accuracy. The FEA optimized diffuser is designed to ensure broad dispersion for an expansive soundstage with a pinpoint on and off-axis frequency response to engage listeners across the whole room. The tapered edges on the front baffle, known as chamfers, are designed to minimize edge diffraction for a clear and precise soundstage. Remember to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification for more exciting videos from our channel.